Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to see how to install Visual Studio Code in our macOS. So let us get started. Um, Choose your favorite or default browser. Search for Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link. So now you can see a wide variety of operating systems being shown. So we can choose our own operating system, whichever we want to install. So here we are using macOS. So let us click on the Mac option. Now the download has been started. Now we can see a zip file has been downloaded. So let us open this. So it starts unzipping. So these are the two files post the unzip. Yeah, so our application has been available here. So we can double click on this and open our Visual Studio Code. Open. Yeah, now we can see our Visual Studio Code is downloaded and available in our system. So let us give all the default options. Yeah, now it is created. So yeah, now it has been successfully installed in our Mac operating system. So right now, if we can see, this has been downloaded in our downloads file. So every time we need to go here and open the application. So instead of this, if we want our application to be opened via Launchpad or through Spotlight, we might need to move this file to Applications folder. So let me open a new Finder window. I'll click on Applications. Now I need to drag and drop this application into the application section. So you can click on Command, drag and drop it. Now this has been successfully moved to applications. Now if you can see, the Visual Studio Code is now available in our Launchpad. Or even if you want to search via Spotlight, we can do that. Code or Visual Studio Code you can search. So you can open through applications or through downloads. So this is one other way of accessing Visual Studio Code. Now, if you want to access your Visual Studio Code through terminal, we can do that as well. So let us move to our terminal. So type code. We can see that now it shows ZSH command not found for the code. This shows that our shell or terminal is not able to recognize our installed Visual Studio app. So to access this, we can go to our Visual Studio Code application, press Command Shift and P, shell, type shell command. So first we need to uninstall code command from path. Click on this, give OK. Now again press Command Shift P, type shell command. Now we need to install code command in path. Click on OK. It might ask us for a password. Please type a password. We can see shell command code successfully installed in path. Click on OK. Type code. Now we can access our Visual Studio Code from our terminal as well. So yeah. So assume you want to access Visual Studio Code from some other directory which you are in. We can do that as well. Let us close this application. Quit. Go to terminal. CD documents. Unless right now I don't have anything. So I'll create a directory. First project. Okay, I'll move to first project directory. Now, if you want to access or if you want to start your Visual Studio Code app from this particular directory, you can type code space dot, full stop, click enter. Hello. Now it asks for, do you trust the authors of these files in the folders? Yes, I trust the authors. Now you can see our Visual Studio Code has started with or opened with this particular directory. So if you want to search anything within that directory, if there are any files created, we can use this search extension or search section. We can also initialize our version control or Git from here. We can debug from here. If you want to install any extensions, so we can do that. So we have some popular extensions like Python. So if you want to run any Python projects or work on some many of the Python projects, you can install this extension and start working on them. So yeah, so this is how we can install Visual Studio Code on our Mac operating system. Thanks for watching.